Hi, I'm Kelly with ProTech. This video is going to be about how to change the radio board in the Solaris tower. Okay, here we have our Solaris tower. First thing we're going to do is remove the rails that hold the anti-condensation caps on. We need a Phillips screwdriver. Down at the bottom, there's two screws, one here. Up at the top, there'll be two more. Once you remove all the screws, pull this off and move it in one piece. Next, we'll remove the screw at the bottom, pull the cover out and down, and remove the cover. Alright, this is our Solaris tower. Up here is the radio board that we're going to be replacing. Make note that it does have little spacers in the back behind the screws. Make sure you don't lose those screws when you're replacing the board. First thing we're going to do is remove the ribbon cable and then start removing the screws. If you don't remove the screws all the way and just loosen them, it makes it easier to get your finger behind there to grab the spacers so that you don't lose it. Once you got all the screws removed, pull your radio board out and look at the back side. Right here is where your antenna wire connects. It's a coax cable. Lift it straight off to remove it. Okay, connects right here. Make note of the radio number that we're replacing. This is 100299. Alright, so we got a new radio board. This one is 100291. We're going to attach this one. First thing we'll do is attach that antenna wire. Make sure that when you're working with this antenna wire, you don't pull down very hard on it because you'll pull it loose from the antenna. So we'll put it back on that same connector. Try to get it flat before you press down. Okay, just like so. Next, we'll reinstall the screws. Best way to do this without losing your spacer is put a screw through the hole with the spacer, line it up with where it previously was at, and just kind of finger tighten that first screw. And then the next one, you do the same thing. Got our spacer, screw, finger tighten it on. Alright, once you have your new radio board screwed on, next thing you're going to do is put your ribbon cable back on. So reattach the ribbon cable. Once you've done that, you can count to 10. 1, 2. After 10 seconds, remove the jumper on the radio board. Once you've done that, you're going to go to your control board, press and hold the select button to put it into alignment mode. Then take it back out of alignment mode the same way. If you have a double phase tower, you're going to have to do this on the other side of the tower as well. Or if you have a 3-meter tower and you have 2 control boards, you'll have to do it with both control boards. Once you're finished with that, just reverse the removal process of the lens cover, put the cover back on, put the anti-condensation caps back on.